Hi, it's Nina. Hello, welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram usernames not available or incorrect. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you're trying to log into your Instagram account, but in every time you're trying to enter your username, it keeps showing username is not available or it is incorrect. So here, instead of typing your username, you can type in your email address that you've used to sign up to your Instagram account. So here, I'm going to type in my email address and then my password and then hit login. So as you see here, I've logged into my Instagram account without my username. So if you're having trouble with your username, then you can either use your email address or your phone number. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.